Now let's look into splitting one ND arrays into several smaller ones. So for that we're gonna use a head split. Using head split, you can split any array along its horizontal axis, either by specifying the number of equally shaped arrays to return, or by specifying the columns after which the division should occur. So let's do that. So splitting arrays. So let's take one array, np dot flow, sorry, not floor, floating, floor, and 10 times rg. I'll take random, and 2 comma 12 a tuple. I'm gonna take and execute it, and here is the a. You got it? So now this is my array. So now I just want to split this array, split this array a into 3. Let's do that. So to do that, simply, so 3 splits np dot head split. I will take which array I want to do it. I have to consider that array name, and then how many splits? 3. And splits, here are that 3 splits. So let me print splits, and here you can clearly see that splits of that array. Okay, so split the what next we're gonna do is we're gonna split a after the third and the fourth column. It's a specific third and the fourth column. Okay, so let's do this kind of split also. So np dot head split, and I'm gonna take a, and the second argument would be 3 comma 4. So that's a tuple. The second argument is a tuple, and this is where we got an array. So it's been splitted at the third and fourth column only. A, and then 3 comma 4 a tuple. Clear? So let me get back to the slide. So this is what the head split method we have used to do the splits. You can do it 3 or any number of splits that you want. In addition to that, if you want to specifically split for with the specific rows and specific column, you have to give the second argument as a tuple of number of rows comma number of columns. So let's uh, I hope you will explore vsplit. So v splits so what happens, v splits along the vertical axis, and array split allows one to specify along which axis to split, so that you can explore on yourself, or else I will be explaining all those things in advanced numpy.